Some people know me for doing a wee bit of this, a wee bit of that, and a wee bit of this. Travelling the length and breadth of the country, capturing the history, the mystery, and the beauty of Ireland. But on Sunday the 1st of May 2022, things took a turn for the worse, ending up in the hands of the NHS's finest. So began a full evaluation of life and how to turn my dream into a reality. This is my journey, how I got from here to here.
Welcome to Donegal! Keep on.
So today is the 5th of July. Believe it or believe it not, we are away in this van on Monday coming, which is the 10th. I've got so much to do. I've got today and tomorrow to get it done. We have to get the wheel arches sanded down. We've got to put the close cell foam around the door frame, get that carpeted. We've got to get the back doors carpeted also. Then the bench seat has to be built. The electrics also need to be sorted out. This is the DC charger. That has to go there somewhere. That's going to give us a power off the battery and keep everything powered up. We've got quite a lot to do. Whether or not we're going to get it all done or not is the question. Time wise, I think it may be too much to ask. But we're going to get stuck into it. We're going to give it a go. So I'm not going to waste any time sitting in front of this camera. We'll get stuck into it and we'll start ticking these things off the list. And there just might be a slight possibility we can get this van to 99.9% finished by late tomorrow night. But hail, rain or snow, we are away on Monday. I'm going to try and get as much done as possible.
Oh, sir. Oh, one more thing.
So the kitchen. And with time running out, I had no option but to buy something that would do me. Yes, I would have liked to build my own kitchen, but I simply didn't have the time. So I ordered this off Amazon. Yes, I know it's not a proper kitchen, but space is premium in a van. And for what I needed this unit for, this definitely fitted the purpose. All I needed was something to prepare food on, a place to store stuff like plates, an air fryer, cups, knives and forks, and other kitchen utensils. This little side unit fitted the bill, and remember, I am running out of time. This little unit has an extendable worktop, one drawer, two towel racks, one cupboard, four rubber wheels with a brake, but in the van I think I'll pass on the wheels no matter how great they say the brake is. It has two extra folding sideboards that are 2 centimeters thick, which will add an extra 60 centimeters to the length of the trolley. Again, this will save me a bit of space when not in use. The worktop can be perfectly used as a dining or a bar table, and it has the pine effect which will fit the colour arrangements in the van, perfect for what I needed. So these are the wheel arches that I made in a previous video out of tongue and groove, and also in a previous video I added a bit of strength to the back of them by simply cutting a piece of leftover ply to shape, then screwing it to the tongue and groove, sealing it against the elements with the sinister. So it's now time to prep the front of the wheel arch. This is the side that will be visible. So I give them a good sanding down, First with a medium grit sandpaper, then with a smooth grit sandpaper to bring out the wood's natural grain and character, and using this clear satin stain, which I got at a B&M Bargains, I give it a light coat, then I give it a quick rub with a smooth grit sandpaper. I applied 2 more coats. I didn't bother sanding down between the second and third coat as I didn't think it needed it. I carried out the same procedure with the actual boxes, preserving the wood's natural grain and character, and let them completely dry overnight. They didn't actually turn out too bad at all. It's actually quite nice. That is 3 coats. Quite nice indeed. Today is D-Day. Today is the last day. No matter what is done, no matter what is not done today, that's the way it's been left. I have 3 double shifts coming up. Tomorrow being Friday, Saturday and Sunday. On Monday we are away. The sliding door. This has been worrying me for 2 reasons. One is we're only going to get 1 chance at this. And secondly, it has to be completely smooth in order for the carpet effect not to look wonky, bumpy, all that sort of thing. So I'm not too sure if that's going to have to come down. This bit here. Go in behind it and then put that back up. Or we're going to get away with just keep it the way it is and trying to slide stuff up in behind it. Just not too sure. So the stuff I'm using is this close cell foam, and the idea is to cover all the wonky bits and then go over it with a carpet so it's all nice and smooth. I don't know why the best way to do it is put it up 1 bit like that, or cut it along this way, which makes it a little bit easier to work with. It's something like that doodle mat that I used before. It is sticky as hell, and once it goes up, it's up, and that's it. I think the best way to do it is to probably cut it down along the way, which means I've got a less hassle and trying to get it all up in one go. That's exactly what I want to do actually. 6, 9, 10. I'm going to call that a 13. So that is it. That is that part of the van build done. And I'm hoping that when I go to carpet it, that all those little nicks and crannies, they all sort of iron themselves out. That was the whole idea of it. There is the other one, which is not a bad job actually. we need to sort out these electrics. So this is the DC charger, Victron, Iran. I think we're going to have to go back to the drawing board on this. This is just not straightforward. Shit.